I know the first question that most of you have is, why study Latin and Greek root words? Well, the answer is that it makes you smarter. How does it do that? Well, first, let me explain that the 100 most commonly used words in English are basically descended from German. English was a Germanic language. That is, until the Norman invasion of England in 1066, when it got an overlay of Norman French, which is a Romance language descended from Latin. That's why I sometimes have two words for the same thing. The Germanic peasants raising the animals called them pigs, while the Norman nobility who ate the animals called it pork. Anyway, the short, easy words that you already know come from German, while the long, complicated words you know come from Norman French and ultimately from Greek and Latin. So if you know the roots, the pieces that come together to make these long words, and if you can use context clues, you can often puzzle out the meanings of words you don't know. The more words you understand, the higher your reading comprehension, the more you learn, and the smarter you are. So, you'll be learning 10 root words a week. Start by going over the word list for the week. Look at the root, any variations, its meaning, whether it's from Latin or Greek. The highlight word for the week is going to be related to the theme of the week, which is life science in this case, so aquatic. And then the sample words, which are all words that contain the root. I just put a few in. Then pull up the slideshow for the week and use it as you would flashcards. I recommend that you speak the words aloud as you go through to help set the meanings better in your mind. So, anthropo, man. Anthropology is the science of man. Aqua, water. An aquarium is full of water. I would recommend saying the words aloud as you go through, help set the meanings in your mind, and even the little mnemonic phrase at the bottom. A lot of people have told me that that helps them remember better. If you learn better by hearing things, I do a video version of the slideshow with narration. Crabby Vocabby, List 1. Life Sciences, A. Anthropo, man. Anthropology is the science of man. And you can follow along with that as well. It would still be a good idea to speak the words aloud as you watch. The actual activity of doing something, again, helps you remember. When you feel that you know the roots well enough, go and take the quiz. For standard English 3 students, if you make less than a 70, you must retake. Honors English 3 students must retake for less than an 80. You only get 2 tries, though, and I will then take the higher of the 2 grades for your score. Finally, choose an activity from the Crabby Vocabby choice board and complete it by the following Friday due date, turning it in to the assignment on Google Classroom. I hope that you enjoy the feeling of your brain getting bigger and stronger as you open up new knowledge with Latin and Greek root words.